Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy to have you. Today, we're doing something pretty fun. We are doing a makeup tutorial. Not necessarily a tutorial, but like a chit chat together. We're doing a makeup chit chat together. And we gonna do some spring makeup with some Winnie. Cheers. So if you're interested, keep on watching all of the fun that we're gonna have. So I think we are going to do a spring, oh girl, I think we're going to do like a spring makeup. What do you want to do?
Since we're going into spring, let's do a spring makeup tutorial. Mom and daughter, I can't even get it out. Mom and daughter spring tutorial. Yay! As you guys are gonna see throughout this video, Amber and I are gonna be using different techniques because I don't follow the rules she do. That's why her face is always so beat, and she always has to come back and correct mine. But
we got this Winnie.
Cheers.
Hey, my eyebrows are wide, but they thin. How that work?
So, do you use the eyebrow pencil? No, the mascara pencil to set your eyebrows? Because I do. I find it very. Well, this is a technique that I like to use.
I don't set my eyebrows. All I do is fill in the outer part. And then I use this to do the inside.
Oh, okay. Girl, your eyebrows be snatched for the gauze.
Yeah.
Because Amber's camera's broken, so we have to
use
this laptop.
Webcam.
Oh,
camera.
this is webcam. Oh.
That's what they call it on here. It's a webcam. But
Okay.
it's not like you can see what we're doing, cause.
But at least we're doing a collab.
Right.
That's what's most important. But these faces are gonna be snatched, honey, for Zeus himself. Watch.
Not Zeus.
Yes, Zeus, the Greek god, honey. Girl, I don't be blaspheming.
I can't.
I'll say Zeus in a minute before God. Where did I get this from?
Levanti, and I got it.
That was my birthday gift last year, was it?
No, that was like 2 years ago. So that's lasted a long time.
She is about gone, honey. Bavanti, the next time I'm in North Carolina, specifically Greensboro, North Carolina, I'm going to have to stop by and get this.
You know you can order it online too.
Oh, well, Bavanti, never mind. I'll just place an online order. Get it much quicker.
I only put primer on my T-zone. How about you? I just get oily here.
Me too.
I don't get oily anywhere else.
Can I borrow your primer? Because I don't have any.
How do you don't have primer?
Okay.
It's snowing today, and see, I don't like snow because snow be messing with my check.
Be messing with that bag, huh?
Okay? Secure the bag. Like, and snow being, no. And it got the nerve to have ice on top of that. Like, I can almost deal with snow because you can plow snow, but you have to wait for ice to melt. Like,
that window.
I can't.
With that 5 sheets of ice.
Right. I couldn't even knock the ice off the window. That was way too much highlighter.
I'm now sick of you, Marilyn. Notice I put a lot of emphasis on my eyes because I think my eyes are the prettiest part of my face. So,
I don't know what the prettiest part of my face is.
your whole face is pretty.
Okay, so now I'm going to put my foundation on and try to get some balance here because that's like really bright.
Oh, I tried a new technique. Yes, what was that? Monday? Yesterday. No, it was Sunday. I'm sorry. That I think I'm going to do today. And what I did was I put more concealer on my face than makeup.
Concealer where? Like under your eyes?
I put it in like, I use both, I use concealer only, like 2 different shades of concealer.
On your face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Turned out pretty good actually.
Well, it looks like it might have balanced it out. The lighting on this laptop is just a little bit more harsh.
Horrible. That's what it is.
So if you can make your face look beat on a laptop screen camera,
You did that.
you did that.
Okay.
Wrong.
Hello.
This is a perfect time to talk about perseverance.
Let's shoot for it, girl.
Anytime you experience hardships in your life, for example, me losing my camera's like my job, okay? My camera is very important to what I do, and even with the loss of my camera, I'm still putting out videos for you guys because that's what's important to me.
Where there's a will, there's a way, honey.
And I still made a way to get my content posted. I don't know if y'all do this, but I highlight like around this area
I saw her do that the other day and I was like, I've got to do that.
because, I mean, this is an area with the shadow, so you want to highlight it. Make sure you blend it well, but...
Hi, Amber and I are right in the middle of a makeup tutorial. I'll talk to you later.
So, normally what I do next is... My eyelash is not going to be stuck to the top of this cap.
You put your eyelashes on before you do your eye makeup?
No. I'm going to take my Ben Nye Banana. I only use this because there's like a lot of space, so I can use it as much as I like. I'm going to take it and put it under my eye.
And here's my other concealer that I'm going to use. Trust me, it blends out beautifully. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's enough of that. This setting powder.
Oh, this is how you do that.
I got tired of...
Especially with oily skin. Excuse me.
Okay, so my oily skin be coming through regardless. So, but you know one good thing about oily skin, we don't wrinkle. Hello. So oily skin is a blessing. All you people out there that want to talk about us people with shiny faces.
But they be trying to get it with all that highlighter, so...
I think it's called the dewy look.
No shade.
Just saying. No wrinkles. I'm 50. What shades are you going to use? I think I'm going to do a purple and a gold.
Well, mine are going to be like this.
I thought we were doing spring.
Carly Bible palette. Wait, I gotta do my hand behind it.
I thought we were doing spring.
Mine is gonna be spring. It's gonna be neutral.
Are these spring colors? I'm going to use this MAC. Okay, I can't get this angle. And this Sephora purple. Anyway, you'll see it on my eyes. I can't do that thing. I think you did it and then put it back.
No.
You've been known.
I did not break it and put it back.
And just slid it right back. Just saying.
I'm gonna do my eyes like Phaedra be doing her eyes.
Phaedra's eyes be snatched, honey. I love Phaedra's makeup. Out of all the girls,
she always in her crease has like a dark, well, not a dark necessarily, but a more smoky
that's what I do.
eye. And then like on the lid, it's real bright.
That's what I do. The dark.
And do that. I mean, not that I like Phaedra.
I love her makeup.
But her face be beat at all times. Kenya's face be beat too. And
It does.
I don't like Kenya.
I like Kenya.
I don't see how you like. She's always liked Kenya, and I'm like, how, Sway? Because
Kenya's
got some issues. She's crazy.
got some issues.
That would be her issue. She crazy.
I guess I empathize for her.
Empathize meaning you have been through the same thing and you understand.
Well, I guess I sympathize for her. Because I don't know how it feels to not be wanted by a mother.
Your mother, right.
Yeah. But I do understand her, why she does things the way she do them, and why she always have her defenses up, because she tired of people messing with her. If she don't do nothing, if she don't defend, this is how she's thinking: if I don't defend myself, who will?
Right.
Because she never got the nurturing from her mother, to do that. So I understand her, and I like her. She's pretty too. You remember I did Kenya's look a few years ago? Girl, I had that face and hair just like Kenya's. You couldn't tell me anything. See, I have a deep crease in my eyes.
I don't know what kind of eyes I got. Almond.
You have almond shaped eyes. What do you call the shape of my eyes?
Deep set.
They're kind of like Sophia Loren.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They don't know who that is. You gotta tell them who that is.
Sophia Loren is a Italian. She is an Italian actress model from way back in the day. I've always admired her because she's so beautiful. She still is. Google her. She's still beautiful. And she has those deep set eyes just like mine.
You look just like your mom.
They said I look like my daddy.
Well, sometimes that smile like your dad.
I was told that when I don't smile, I look like my mother, and when I smile, I look like my father. So I'm two-faced.
What?
I have both my mom and dad's face. Two-faced.
I don't think that's what that means.
You know I make up my own terminologies, honey. I am. My face is blended. It's two faces blended into one. Dad, you're getting ahead of me.
I always finish mine before yours.
Because I spend most of my time doing the eyes.
I'm not putting any lashes on just because.
Girl, with that mascara you have, you don't need to put lashes on.
What kind of? I have
MAC.
Zoom Lash.
Yes, honey.
I can't do my liner sitting down.
I understand that. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush this stuff off.
I think it's important that you mix drugstore and high-end products. Because sometimes drugstore products are better than high-end products. They're just as good as they are.
Yeah,
So you don't have to
especially
pay
if you
as
find the
much.
right one.
Right. Especially like with a company like NYX,
I love NYX.
you can find a whole lot with NYX. And not pay that much money. Nobody looks cute when they put on mascara, how? I mean, like, what?
The other day I used your highlighter and I went to work looking like a space cadet.
First of all, you didn't have no business in my highlighter.
I look like a freaking space cadet.
Which one did you use? This one?
That one.
This one.
See, I had a round circle on my forehead. I had it there and on my nose. Girl, I look just like a...
You gotta be very sparing with this. Like, you can't do too much.
I went in with it, honey.
Very sparing, because if you go too hard with this particular one, this particular highlighter, you did too much. You'll be looking like a glowworm, like that girl that decided she was going to yell at us in Ulta.
It sure did look like that. A hot mess.
First of all, if you're going to yell at somebody, be cute. Right? What?
Don't be behind a cash register yelling at a customer.
That's disrespect. That's like, that's bad on so many levels.
Especially when a customer wasn't even
Like, we weren't even talking to her. And all of a sudden, she just had to make her opinion known for some reason. Okay, girl. Oh, highlight, hopefully you can see that from Mars.
Not Mars.
The fact that you can see this highlight from Mars.
I was wondering if you would like to share your mascara. Just a tad bit, please. Just a little bit.
My bad.
A small amount. It's the eyes. Have it, honey. Okay, Amber, share.
Did I ever like to share, like as a child?
You were the only for a long time, so I guess not. This lighting is not good. It's not my friend today.
No, it's just this camera. That's all it is.
Can you guys see my contour? I'm very proud of my contour.
And then I'm gonna put a gloss on it by Laura Geller.
Mary, use your highlighter. That's cute how you did that.
You'll see why.
Did that enhance my cat eye? I feel like I. No?
If we're out of school tomorrow, I'm gonna be upset
Why?
because Blue, they be messing with my check,
They're messing with your coins.
my coins.
Your bag.
I can do people's faces for a wedding
You should do prom faces.
and prom faces. If you're in high school
And girl, you want that face
and if
beat?
you want that face beat for your prom, hello,
I'll even come and help her, honey.
call me.
I got skills too.
You don't have my number, but you know,
Figuratively-
I'll leave my email address. Email me.
Figuratively speaking, call her.
Why do y'all say literally so much?
I don't know. You use it out of context. You misuse literal.
Literal means that you are actually in the moment, in this very second, doing the thing that you are saying that you are doing. Or, like, you know. So if you say, like, I'm literally dying right now of laughter, you would go into cardiac arrest. So, I do not understand. It's not a thing.
It
Okay?
sounds good, I guess.
It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
It sounds good. I mean, it sounds better than I'm figuratively dying right now. So literally, I mean, in the Urban Dictionary, it's okay to use in that context.
Only because people use it so much. If people used figuratively as much as they use literally,
I wonder why they don't use figuratively.
because they don't know no better.
I think it started on TV.
This
That's ready to
webcam.
zoom in. That's not my good side.
This webcam. Do you want to sit here?
Mm-hmm. We did that. Mm-hmm. We're snowed in today, and we just had to do something because we were like getting cabin fever, right? Cabin fever.
Cabin fever.
Isn't it cabin fever?
It's cabin fever.
Cabin fever. A girl. You gonna cut that out, right?
And now we have to do like the end where we show our faces.
Okay. And then I did a deep part. Okay. Oh, look at you, girl. Got me sitting already here, honey. Yes. I love it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing.